Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we are off to a chilly start today. Temperatures rebounding from earlier this morning when we saw the temperature dip into the upper 20s here at Wallops, currently at 41 degrees as of the 10 a.m. hour, and we will see those temperatures warming into the upper 40s as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours today. I'm going to take a look here at our current surface analysis. You can see surface high pressure right across the mid-Atlantic region this morning, providing us with those mostly clear and dry conditions that will continue through the remainder of the day. Really no cloudiness whatsoever out there currently as we look off to the south here on our live camera uh, here at Wallops Island. You can see really no cloudiness at all out there this morning, and we'll probably see a little bit of upper level cirrus cloudiness as we go throughout the day today, but uh, really just abundant sunshine out there for the remainder of your Wednesday. Looking at our satellite and radar imagery, you can see pretty much the same story as high pressure dominates our weather across the mid-Atlantic, providing us with those mostly clear conditions that will continue throughout today. And then looking over to our forecast model and tracking what we can expect over the course of the next couple of days and into the extended forecast, you're going to see pretty quiet conditions overall. We'll see dry weather continuing today through your Thanksgiving tomorrow, with dry weather through the day. Just a little bit of an increase in cloudiness ahead of this cold front that will be moving through early Friday. But as you can see, by 7 o'clock in the evening, rain shower activity still well off to our west, just approaching the western portions of Virginia at that point, and then becoming a little bit more likely that we'll see those showers by the early morning hours of Friday, and then as we get into the wee hours of the morning, right about sunrise is probably when we can expect our best chance of seeing some showers as that front moves through. The rain will quickly be coming to an end as we get to around 8 o'clock in the morning, as that front will push off the coast, and we'll see dry weather, cooler conditions, and some windy conditions for the late morning and afternoon hours of Friday, as that cold front ushers in some northwesterly breezes. As we go into the weekend, looks like dry weather, especially for the first part of the weekend on Saturday. We'll see chilly conditions, and then for Sunday, we'll see a little bit of a shortwave piece of energy moving in from the Midwest that will likely stay off to our north. Better chances of seeing some rain activity off to the northern portions of the Delmarva on Sunday, but we will see a very slight chance of some showers here at Wallops, looking at about 15% chance of seeing those rain showers on Sunday, but more than likely we'll stay dry with mostly cloudy to overcast conditions and temperatures right around 50 degrees for your Sunday. As we go into the first part of next week, looking at a return to dry weather and some cool conditions to start out your work week going into the Monday and Tuesday time period. I want to take a look here at our upper level winds from this morning's balloon release. We saw winds generally out of the northwest from the surface all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see our max wind at that 25,000 foot level with northwesterly wind at 62 knots. Freezing level was at the surface this morning at the time of balloon release. And looking at our next 24 hours, you can see a green chart across the board. Partly cloudy to mostly clear conditions expected to continue through the afternoon and into the evening hours tonight. Looking at temperatures dipping into the low 30s tonight, so you should see temperatures stay just a couple of degrees warmer than what we had last night, but still a very chilly evening out there for us as we go into early Thursday morning. Winds should be fairly light throughout the day. Today, northwest winds sustained around 5 to 10 knots. Continuing to drop as we go into the evening hours tonight, where we'll see variable winds less than 5 knots after midnight, and then we'll see southwesterly winds around 4 to 8 knots as we wake up Thursday morning. So for your extended forecast, looking at our warmest day of the next 7 days for Thanksgiving, with a high temperature expected right around 57 degrees. We'll see a early morning low of 31 degrees tomorrow morning for your Thanksgiving holiday. And then as we go into Friday, we'll see a front cross the region during the early morning hours of Friday. It should be a quick hitter with showers coming to an end around 8 a.m. And then for the remainder of your day, we'll see dry conditions, but we'll see the winds pick up, likely needing a wind advisory for those winds above 25 knots during the day on Friday, and we'll see cooler conditions as well High temperature expected right around 48 degrees, and that'll most likely occur during the morning hours, with temperatures holding steady or slowly dropping during the afternoon. So going to Saturday and Sunday, looking at cool conditions continuing. Saturday seeing more sunshine than what we'll have on Sunday. High of 45 degrees on Saturday, a bit warmer on Sunday, but still pretty chilly. High right around 50 degrees. Again, a slight chance of a rain shower. Most of that activity off to our north, but looking at about a 15% chance of seeing a shower or two during the day on Sunday. Anything that we do get should be fairly light in nature. As we go to Monday and Tuesday, seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies on Monday, and then slightly warmer conditions on Tuesday with a high of 52 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again Friday at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.